Hi there Toastie fans, here's a lovely chili spinach ham cheese toasty recipe for you. Very simple. Get a slice of bread on that hot toasty maker. Put on a little bit of cheese. I've used cheddar, but you could use red Leicester, Gouda. Put on some fresh chopped chili. Gives you a lovely, nice kick of heat in the afternoon. There's some lovely green spinach. Pile that spinach on. Put your 5 a day in one sandwich. Bit more cheese. Then just layer on some wafer thin ham. Last dollop of cheese. Never have too much cheese in a toastie. Top it off with the next slice of bread. Slam it down. Cook it for 10 minutes. Get it out. Cut on the diagonal. And then enjoy. There we have it. Fantastic chili spinach ham cheese toasty recipe. Very easy. Got that lovely taste of spinach then for the afternoon. Keep you going. Along with that kick of heat to wake you up. Gorgeous, delicious sandwich. So do you like chilies for your lunch? Let me know in the comments. And also, while you're here and you're such a lovely, kind person, hit the subscribe button. It's just down there in the bottom right-hand corner, that little white square. Click on it now. Excellent. Till next time. Bye.